Alrighty, here we go. One more. I think I have stamina for one more, and then I'm gonna have to take a break. Accolade. Okay. Anybody else done this one? Oh yes, Mimi's done this one. So watch her video, because she does a good job. Come on. Give it to me nice and big. There we go. Ooh, you guys can't see. Wow. Sun has moved, so I'm getting a little bit of glare. Let me see if I can pull my curtain. Ah, better. Okay. Ooh, it's a bracket one. I don't like brackets. Okay. We're going to do it anyway. Bracket. And then a space, and then a bracket, and then a space, and then turn it around and do it again. So they're offset. So you have a bracket and then a bracket under here, kind of like making bricks, right? But it has to have this little space in between. And then connect this bracket arm to that bracket arm. So it makes these sort of almost heart shape, interesting shape thing. It's definitely different. And then I come in here. That's why we need the space. I come in here and do like a aura of that shape. And then of course from the other side as well. And then you do some shading, and then it's kind of this weird, interesting shape. They've done it across here with some extra little aura and some orbs or something, and then all the way around as a border as the sample. So it's interesting. Let's give it a go. Oh, brackets are not my friend, but we're gonna give this a go. I'm going to do it on a bigger page so that I have some room to work. Give me a border, and I think I'm going to kind of go this way. I'm going to try it like that. I'm going to try putting my brackets kind of along those two lines. See what that does. That should make an interesting shape. Besides just a straight, like going in a straight line. See what happens. Okay. So I'm going to do a bracket. And then a space, and then a bracket, and a space, okay. This is a hard shape for me. And then instead of being here, I'm gonna do this. That will help me make my bracket. And then maybe here too. I'm gonna give myself some guidelines. Okay, so I want a bracket that starts here, goes to peak here, and ends there. Like that. And that should be in between those, right? Oh, I went too far. Now I don't have a space, okay? Not quite over to that. Like that. Okay. I didn't leave quite enough space there. It'll work itself out. Yeah. You're a little far away. Okay, So then, the next thing is I need to connect. Let's do them here where they're make some sense. This one goes to that one, right? Like that. And this one goes to this one like that. That goes like that. This goes like that. I maybe made a little bit of a mistake by making that weird shape, but we'll see. I gave myself a bit of a challenge. It's close, right? That's close to what it was supposed to be. Yeah? Okay, so now the hard part. I come here about halfway. And aura that shape, like that. Okay. And then the other way. Oh, no wonder I'm hungry. It's almost 1 o'clock. What the heck? Where did the day go? I've been in here drawing half the day. I have some leftover chicken from last night, so maybe I'll go have myself a piece of chicken. Okay, so that's the shape right there. It's really kind of interesting. I would never have created that on my own. That's for darn sure. And I do like the idea of then doing some kind of aura. Okay, and then perhaps these guys are going to have a sort of a thing coming out of them. Why not? Come up, it's going to come out. Something like that. You'll see part of it. Is that good? That's good. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. So this is called Accolade. And then I'm gonna erase some of these little guidelines in the middle here. I can leave my border because I'm gonna just do that with pencil. And get rid of those little lines that go across the middle there. And I'm going to shade right in there where it all kind of comes together, like folds. Like that, like this. Okay, and then maybe here, overlapping, maybe a little up there. Yeah, I think so. Something like that, and then go ahead and do the border. Like that. Okay, smudgy time. Use my big one for going around the edge. And I'll use my smaller one in here. I'll be a little bit more controlled. Alright, this is awesome. Come out better than I expected. Because I wasn't expecting to like a bracket shaped tangle. They're not my favorite, but I like this. I like how it came out. That's pretty cool. I almost think I want to put some shading in here though. Like right there. Oops, missed one. Awesome. Ha! Perfect. Even better. It was good before, now it's better. Okay, You guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to go have me some lunch. It is now almost 1 o'clock. Time for lunch. And then we'll see if I can come back and draw some more later. I'm not sure. Might not have time, but at least I got several of them done today. That is a good thing. I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for someone today and make the world a better place. I'll see you later. Bye.